camping, sleeping tonight. Isn't that pretty cool? We're in Sanford, Florida. Well, I'm just waking up and the lamp has not gone off yet, but it's beautiful out on that lake. This is what my van looks like. Got my heat keys hanging there and got my window shade here. Oh, let's see what kind of day it is out there. Well, let me just pull this up just a little bit. Hello. Okay. All right, so got my little toy and my porta pier. So I left this on. This is a Wii Boost, man, and this is my hotspot. So I just lay my hotspot on here, and I had 2 bars last night, and it popped it up to 4 bars. And of course, the antenna is going out my window. Good movies last night. Anyway, I'm going to brush my teeth, maybe turn on a light. Oh my god, that was a little too bright too fast. So here we go. My coffee machine is right here. And that is cute. We bought it from a hotel, and this little baby takes little round discs of coffee. And what's the wattage on this baby? 500 watts, but it really goes fast, so no biggie there. All right, so I'm gonna get my coffee before I brush my teeth. Ooh, it's 7:19 in the morning. There's just 3 of us. Sacrificing myself because I'm in no see 'em morning, but I think I see him. Isn't that pretty cool? Huge lake. We're in Sanford, Florida, about 50 miles from our home. It goes on for miles and miles. We're gonna go. We've got convoy 1, and we have myself, and we have our 3rd convoyer, and then we have a dang Lucian buck. So later alligator, after a while crocodile. This is where we slept last night and where we woke up.